All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Motorway. Motorway. Like this road here. Yeah, this road. A long, wide road that people drive on for long distances. Yeah, motorway. Try and get a picture. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at that. Motorway. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Very good. Very good. I will join the motorway. Yeah. When I travel long distances, I will use the motorway. Yeah. He always drives on the motorway. She has never driven on the motorway before. It is a nice and long journey when you use the motorway. Yeah. They built that motorway a long time ago. They built it a long time ago. How cool is that? Yeah. They are building more motorways. Yeah, the more motorways they build, the faster people can get around the country. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. That was my favourite motorway. Yeah, see that motorway is the best way to get around the country. I can go straight to Glasgow in a few hours. It is a very easy ride on the motorway. Very easy journey. Yeah. How cool is that? We're driving on the motorway. Yeah, when I'm driving on the motorway, I am always careful and watching a lot of things. Always careful, watching. Yeah. You have to pay attention very carefully when you're on the motorway. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. The motorway is the one I will need soon. So I will get on the motorway soon as I start driving. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? Motorway. I like the motorway. I like driving on the motorway because driving is fun. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use motorway in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.